Well, good morning, everybody. So, this week and today's lesson especially is going to be a little bit different from what we've had before. Now, it's been a rotten weekend. I don't know about you, but I barely got out of the house at all. So I am now out in one of my favourite places around, which is, of course, Massey's Woods. You may recognise some of this. Okay, with my two little helpers. So, here's what our plan is going to be for today. I want to get you guys out and about for a walk. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go out to a place to go for a hike. Now, I like Massey's, it's kind of cool. We can, if you don't like Massey's, and that's fine. If your mothers are still a bit cross with me for having all the mud in the kitchen, I'm afraid it is actually quite muddy here today. And when I say muddy, I really do mean quite muddy. So consider wellies and be nice to your mother if you come home with mucky shoes. You can go anywhere. You can go around your estate. There's a lovely walk around Knockline. You can go around Woodstown Green. Okay? You're going to choose somewhere that's between 1 and 5 kilometres. Yes. All right? So, how are we going to do this? Okay? Because what we're going to do today is we're going to measure time and we're going to measure distance. Now, time is measured in seconds. That one's not too weird. We're fairly used to seconds. Okay? So when you go for your walk, we're going to time it. Now, 1 second, kiddo. We're doing a science lesson here.
Can I show them how high I can swing?
There's a good swing here too. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to measure distance. Now, the younger Bates here, hello, say hello.
Hi.
Is about 1 metre tall. And 1 metre is our normal, and he's happily hacking the place apart. 1 metre is our normal standard unit of distance. Okay? So when we go for a walk though, a metre is pretty small, so we're going to measure this in kilometres. Now, I'm going to flip aside for a second and show you a little recording of how to measure the distance in kilometres on your iPads. Alright? Open up your iPad, Google Maps on your iPad even, and let's say we want to go from the M50 bridge past the school to say Scholarstown Family Practice. Okay, step 1. Hold down your finger on the point you want to start. Alright? You'll put that little red dot there, and if you look over on the left hand side, just above the photograph, you'll see something saying measure distance. So we'll click that. And there you go. See, it gives me a little bit of way to measure distance anywhere along. And as I drag the screen around, I'll see in the bottom left, that's 350 metres to the Orla roundabout near the school. That's fine. But look, what if my walk isn't straight? Well, it's no big deal. Let's go to here. And in the bottom right, where it says add point, we'll click that big blue plus. Click. And now, look, I can just keep adding points in all the way along. I get down to this roundabout, and 950 metres is how far it is from the M50 bridge to the roundabout beside the Scholarstown Family Practice. Now, so we're back now. So what we're going to do today is we're going to have 3 things. You're going to choose a walk, and you're going to measure how long it is. Alright? You're going to go on that walk and enjoy the fresh air and get out and about. Maybe bring your dog, your sister, your parents, your brothers, whatever it is. Maybe you're dumping your cat. Cats don't like walks. You know, have a bit of fun. Okay, get some fresh air out from the desk. But you're going to time that walk. Okay? And you're going to measure the distance of it. So I want to see you, I lost track what I said. Pick a walk, measure it, time it, photograph of it. Send me a cool little photograph of you out and about in the fresh air. Okay? What we're going to do in our next lesson is we're going to look at how to take that distance and that time and convert it into speed and a few other measurements along the way. Now, of course, if you do choose Massey's Wood and get all the way to the far end, there is a little bit of fun to be had.
Yeah, like up there.
Oh dear. There we go. So, out and about, as you can see, nice swings in Massey's Wood. Be careful of the ones over the water, they can end badly. But have a great bit of fun, get some fresh air, and I will chat to you on Tuesday.